Good morning and Merry Christmas. By the time y'all see this, it'll probably be New Year's. It's Christmas morning. We had a nice subdued Christmas together at home, just the two of us. Japan is getting the tools out and we're getting ready to do a little bit of work. I just wanted to show off the tape on here that I was doing the other night. I know that's not a real big thing to show off, but if you knew how much it wore me out, you'd be able to appreciate it just a little bit more. Ground is not too bad right now, but that is because it's frozen. You can see all the ice that's pushed up out of the ground right there. Once that starts to thaw, this is going to turn into peanut butter and it's going to be ugly and messy. See, we got a little bit of snow, but it's not bad. Time to stop talking and get to work. Well, the camera's struggling because the battery's cold, so I'm trying to keep it going and swap them out when I can. We'll step back here, maybe it'll be blocked from the wind a little bit. Went ahead and moved the excavator back here because I think we got time to get this panel up here. Now it's windy as heck, but the house is going to block some of the wind, so I think we'll be all right. Another milestone is reached for us because this is the last time that we have to mount the lifting plates so that we can pull the panels together. We've been looking forward to this for a long time. True to form, the panels aren't going together properly. It seems like we're hung up on one of the splines. Figures that this would happen on the very last panel. After quite a bit of struggle, I realized that it wasn't just hung up on the splines. It wasn't lining up properly. That's a problem that I probably created for myself with the steel strapping that I employed to join the deck to the structure. As it came over that lip, it lifted it up just a little bit and changed the angle. So I had to make some quick adjustments, use some logging wedges to lift it while I put some shims in, and then pinned all those pieces together with 12 and 15-inch screws. Now y'all probably just heard me say, hey, you're burning again. And it's because earlier we fired up that heater and she stood right in front of it with it on full blast. I smelled something and she started jumping around because her pants melted. You can't make this stuff up. I'm sure that's an OSHA violation somewhere. I'm gonna drive some more screws in this thing just to make sure it can't go no place. And then we're probably gonna go home and get warmed up. Nice. Well, that is every single SIPS panel that's part of this house. We have no more left. We're done. So, I just singed a little hair off my hand there. Merry Christmas.
Last SIP panel.
Last SIP panel. That's a good Christmas present right there. The last SIP panel, the SIPS roof is done. That's it. That is the whole roof right there. Tomorrow we'll be up here. We will fill in the fascia on the side right here. Roofing guys are going to be here in 2 days to put the felt on to get ready to start putting on the steel roof. And let me tell you, I can't wait. Still, tomorrow I've got some work to do. I got to get the penetrations all cut tomorrow for the chimney and the venting. So definitely got my work cut out for me tomorrow, but if the weather's as good as it was today, that really shouldn't be a problem. It is Christmas. We hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. By the time we get this up, it'll probably be New Year's. So Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.